Good morning from Seminyak. We just arrived to Sundari Spa and the area of Seminyak where is the Livingstone and Umalas entrance. You may be familiar, but today's purpose is that we're gonna have a spa.
So we just arrived in the Sundari Spa. We will have a spa for about 2 hours, something like that.
2 hours too long, 190, 1 hour and a half.
Okay, so I would like to say thank you for Graham from Perth for everything that organized for us. Thank you so much, and yeah, we will pamper ourselves here. I cannot wait.
Lobby looks nice. I'm not sure if I can film inside though, but the first impression of the lobby of the place in general looks good, yeah?
So good.
And we got a welcome drink like this one.
Okay.
Standard procedure,
yeah.
selection of the oil, which one you like, registration.
Oh, very nice. Yeah.
Hello, like this one.
I'll show you the spa menu. Here it is. So I took the traditional Balinese massage. So nice.
And this is the name of the spa, Sundari Day Spa, just in case if you're interested to come. However, this is not paid endorsement, this is just the gift from the ground. Sayang, how do you feel after the spa?
Oh my god, I feel so refreshed, recharged, and then I feel hungry. Some people asking us about where is the spa. This is not paid endorsement, and thanks Graham that your recommendation.
Yeah, thank you so much, mate.
You organize everything. It's really worth it. And after my massage about 2 hours, I'm so hungry, and I decided to go to Livingstone because Damian also need a very fast internet. So yeah, here we will have a breakfast, coffee, cake, and I'll show you around. And this place,
Pretty busy lah, I gonna
almost
tell you.
all tables are taken. The coffee and the pastries, this is how it is, the pricing. And not that bad, looks so good, very nice. And also they have a very nice cake on the display. So yeah, and then I'll show you around the place. Like I told you, almost all the tables are taken. Wow, this is it. So Damian have cappuccino, look at that. Oh, so cute. And I have my hot tea. So nice. Sayang, how is your massage?
It's very good, especially after driving a motorbikes in the past few weeks. It's very good. And now I understand why actually many people coming to Bali. I also spoke with my friend recently, just today, with Pandi from Singapore. I'm going to Singapore, by the way, tomorrow. He said, this is one of the reasons why I'm coming to Bali, because of the spas and the restaurant. And somehow I was thinking about that, and I agreed. The spas in Bali are still very nice, very good quality, and still affordable to compare to the Western countries, and there are plenty of them. And of course, there's authentic Balinese massage here. And well, as the bonus, you have so many beautiful restaurants and cafes like this one. Still, okay, the prices are here very similar already to the Western world, but still, let's say, this is one of the reasons why many of people still like to come to Bali. That's at least my thoughts for today.
So here inside, basically the aircon room. And if you don't want to go to the aircon room, you can go outside. I'll show you how it is outside. And outside, it's pretty hot, only fan, but what I can say, the table is also full. So yeah, this is how it is in the morning.
My food arrived, so this is the breakfast bagel here with bacon, little salad, and of course cappuccino. Looks like this one, a nice presentation. But once again, now when I'm thinking again, it's not that really affordable because the prices are already nearly Western. Like comparing to this place in Seminyak, Livingstone, but it could be any other places. Coffee is 35 plus tax, gives you 42K, which is 420 Australian dollars. In Australia, everywhere coffee will be $5. That's with this size. And this one, the salmon, no, it's not even salmon. It's just bacon bagel with egg and salad. Including the tax, it's cost you nearly $12, 120k here, which is exactly in Australia. In Perth, I could get the same set for plus minus similar amount of money. So, is it still affordable? Probably still cheaper than in US, but Singapore, Australia, UK, not sure. Its prices are actually already higher, definitely. So this set is like $15, $16, $17, something like that.
So it means that $17 for your breakfast. It's
In Bali, in Seminyak.
In Bali, it's nearly the same like in the Western price.
Yeah.
Oh, my
But
nasi goreng arrived.
Your rice arrives here.
Okay.
But at least your rice is the something what is different. In Australia, for example, or in America, or see, in Singapore probably yes, but let's say in Western countries like Australia or America or Canada, it will be hard to get this one. So that's yours.
Nasi goreng.
Nasi goreng for breakfast?
I'm hungry after my massage, so
Okay.
it's very worth it actually. So Smacnego?
As Winnie introduced you, but it's 8:30. We arrived too early, so I have, 15-20 minutes to show you around this part of Seminyak at 8:30 a.m. Like a breakfast time before it's hot, because when we're gonna finish, probably we're gonna have a coffee, maybe in Livingston, perhaps today. I'm gonna show you what's cracking in this part of Seminyak. I don't remember when I filmed here last time walking. So the street is actually pretty short. This road Piton. This is like a barber shop or something. Some construction. What's up? And then we have a Di Prima Hotel. Restaurant belongs to it, still closed. Okay, the most characteristic place here, except that, is there is the Sundari Spa, day spa, and so many people already at 8:30 queuing. It's Damaria. This is very popular place. If you are coming here for dinner especially. And also you have a Don Juan and La Baraka. But all of those restaurants are for dinner actually. And the same with the Nostimo, for example, if you would like to come for the dinner. But all of those places are simply closed at morning. It's 8:40 recently right now. So as you can see, Bali can be quiet. But in the morning, this is not really breakfast place like, for example, Walking Street. The Walking Street, Eat Street. But you can find so many interesting places for dinner perhaps, but I can show you at least without big traffic jams today. Monshi Spoon is actually a place for breakfast, and as you can see, quite a lot of motorbikes this morning. Monshi Spoon now is a partnership with the Vata in the Indonesian Fine Foods. So looks like this one, Vespas. Traffic jam situation, little bit already squeezing between the cars and bikes. This is, or is it? I have to walk between the cars and bikes on the street because the cars parking on the street, on the footpath actually. But this is, or is it something new? It's gonna be here, construction. The street is actually pretty small, so I have enough time to show you some new establishment here. What is this? I don't know. Cannot read, but looks like a coffee shop or something. Everything gonna be okay. And they put the mask on these bunnies. That's because of the pandemic, old poster. This is also something new over here. And yeah, that's the morning. And one of my very, very favorite coffee shops here in whole entire Bali is Livingston. This place is so old. Actually, when I first time come to Bali, it was already here. I was newer at that time. We're gonna have a breakfast or coffee later after the spa. So around 10 o'clock, probably gonna be busier than now. There's also some hotel. I don't know what's the name of the hotel, but you can coconut suits actually are there. And overall, this is Seminyak in the morning. And also I'm gonna show you the junction where I used to vlog last time when driving a motorbike. Basically where you have this huge money changer in the front. There is the junction, little alley we're going to Umalas, where I used to film while driving from the other side exactly. And this is the little street now from the perspective of pedestrian. and there is the Batu Belik and Canggu, and then you can go back to Seminyak. Pretty tender, but at morning situation with the traffic is definitely smaller than you know, during the, well, I got confused with these people here. Then afternoon. At morning is definitely more quieter. Still kinda enjoyable, I could say, to drive. Unfortunately, for some reasons, so many restaurants here and other establishments are totally abandoned, probably due to pandemic reasons. Unfortunately, again, it's just like little bit of everything here. In Bali, some businesses are open, some not. Anyways, it's little bit too early. Later around 10 we're gonna back to the cafe, gonna have some coffee, and we're gonna show you maybe a little bit busier over here.
You know why I see also like this place full pack of people, and then people coming to Bali because of the spa, and it's also because of probably
It's just, in my opinion, it's just because they have plenty of restaurants like this one.
Yeah.
Some cities maybe don't have so much selection of all of this, you know?
Thanks so much for watching, and see you tomorrow. Bye. Damian is going to Singapore tomorrow.
Oh yeah, see ya.
Bye.
To prove it what I said last time, for 2 breakfast and coffee and tea, we end up with 322. It's like $32, $33 lah.